Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah. Now students, our today's work is revision work. আজকে আমরা কি করব? Revision করব. Capital and small letter M and capital and small letter N. Okay? Now look at this one. First one is our capital letter M and this one is our small letter N. Capital letter N and small letter N. How do we will write? Straight line, this line, up and down. Now it's called capital letter M. Straight line, small curve and again small curve. Now it's called small letter M. Excellent. Now capital letter N, straight line, this line and this line. It's called capital letter N. Straight line and this line. Now it's called capital letter small letter N. Very good. Say M, N. Now teacher will touch it and you will say. Very good. Look at this. Here is some capital letter M and small letter M. Capital letter N and small letter N. Now you will sort it which one is cap M and which one is N. Then paste it M side and N side. Okay? Okay, then let's go. Look at this one, yellow one. Oh, capital letter M. Then we will paste it here. This one, capital letter N. Then paste it here. Now again another one. Oh, small circle in. Very good. This one, small letter M. Small letter M. Capital letter N. Okay, very good. This one, capital letter M. Small letter N. Capital letter M. Small letter M. Very good. Now look at this one. Capital letter N. And this one. Small letter M. Now look at these two pieces. Capital letter M. This one. Small letter M. These three. Capital letter N. And this one. Small letter N. Very good. Here are some picture. Now we will sort it. Which one is M related picture and which one is N related picture. Let's go all of you. This one, a monkey. This capital letter M or small letter M? M. Then tell me, M for monkey or N for monkey? M for monkey. Then we will paste it here. Now this one, mouse. Then M for mouse. This one, চাঁদ কখন উঠে আকাশে বলো তো? N for night. তাহলে N for night. This one, mother. M for mother or N for mother? M for mother. Yes. Now, nail. Nail, M for nail? No, then N for nail. This one, 9. N for 9. This one, milk. Then M for milk. Nest. N for nest. খুব সুন্দর হচ্ছে। Nose. We all have a nose. তাই না? আমাদের সবার একটা nose আছে। Then N for nose. This one, nut. M for nut? No. Then M for nut. N for nut. This one, mango. M for mango. And the last one is, what is this? Net. Then N for Net. Okay, now all of you tell me, what is the sound of our M? Our M sound is mm. M sound is mm. And N sound is mm. N sound is mm. Now say with your teacher, M, monkey, mouse, milk, mother, mango. Very good. And N sound is say net, night, nail, nine, nest, nose, and the last one nut. Very good. Now teacher will touch it and you will say properly, okay? M for N for N for M for M for very good. N for N for তাহলে কি আমাদের সবার মনে পড়েছে M and N? Yes, M and N, and these are M and N related words যেগুলো আমরা শিখেছি, তাই না? আর এগুলোর বাংলা কি ছিল বলো তো? বানর, ইঁদুর, দুধ, মা, আম, জাল, রাত, নোক, নয়, পাখির বাসা, নাক, বাদাম। স্টুডেন্টস, ওপেন ইউর ইংলিশ কপি। কি করব আমরা স্টুডেন্টরা? ইংলিশ কপিটা ওপেন করব। Now teacher will teach you how to we will write capital letter M, okay? Now touch your pencil in this blue line, then draw a straight line, then touch this here and a slight line, okay? Then up and down, then it's called capital letter M. What we will say? Capital letter M. Then touch this red line, draw a straight line and this curved line. All of you touch this red line. দেখো আমরা লেখার সময় কি করব? রেড লাইনটা কিন্তু টাচ করব, ঠিক আছে? We will touch this red line and finish it this red line, and again we will draw again this line. Then it's called small letter M. Look at this carefully. Straight line, this curved line, and again this curved line. Then it's called capital small letter M. Say capital letter M, small letter M. Now write down all of you M, okay? Then when we will finish capital letter and small letter M, we will write down small letter N. What we will do? We will do first a straight line, then down and again up. Now it's called capital letter N. Straight line, this line and this line. Capital letter N. And now follow this line. Touch this red line and draw a small straight line. And again what we will do? We will touch this red line, okay? Teacher, what we will do? Teacher কি করেছে? Teacher touch this red line and draw a small curved line and finish it here. Now it's called small letter N. Say capital letter N, small letter N. Now finish capital and small letter writing, okay? When you will finish M and N, then take a picture and send to your teacher. কি করবে? M and N লিখে একটা পিকচার তুলবে আর টিচারকে ছবিটা পাঠিয়ে দিবে। বুঝতে পেরেছি? Okay, then that's all for today all of you. Allah Hafiz.